Hello, my name is Liam and I used the Kranzle K2160 TST when cleaning some old slabs that we got from eBay. The slabs must have been 25 years old. They were very, very worn, but we picked them up for free and we thought, well, if we give the pressure washer a use and see if they can come up new, and lo and behold, we didn't expect it to be as good as this machine actually was. We thought it might make it look 5 or 4 years old, but they look practically brand new, so absolute winner. And yeah, I massively recommend this machine. If you're interested, go to Real Clean in Leighton Buzzard and go to this website. Thanks again for watching and thoroughly enjoy the product, so go for it.